I mean, the wind is still pretty strong. I don't know if it's strong. It's not as strong as it was. I mean, you can see the actual trees shaking. Did it go through his car?
Oh man, I just missed the car.
Actually, it got the car.
It did get the car?
Yeah, but I don't think it really damaged it. Might have scratched it, made some dents on it. It could have been worse.
Well, the lights are working here.
Look at that one down there, my goodness.
Yeah. Right across the road.
Yeah, there's lights over here. Yeah, there's electricity on this side so far. They don't appear to be now together.
But not here. Oh, look there.
Holy cow.
Well, this reminds me of Minnesota. Wow, look at this.
Look at that sign.
Knocked the sign over.
Oh,
Look at this big tree.
holy cow.
Oh, that's terrible. Ooh, this one too. Smashed into that house. Oh, ouch. Wow.
It doesn't. Ooh, look at this.
Oh, wow. It's like devastation.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's different from here too. I guarantee you we don't have any electric. There's no electric through here, you guys.
No electric.
There is down that side.
You might have some. Look at that big branch. We're trying to get around the branches. That thing. It's actually sliding the big branch across the road.
That is incredible. This is just absurd. Crazy.
There's another tree went down right there. Just missed that house. Oh, look at that.
Holy
Snap that tree off. Ooh, look at this. Just snap that tree off. Wow. That was one powerful gust.